how to use bulk voice calls to connect with voters on an individual level. Election campaigns focus mainly on targeting regional voters by addressing their regional issues and connecting with them using their regional languages. Parties and candidates send bulk voice calls in regional languages to convey clear and engaging messages to the audience and leave an unforgettable mark, using the power of voice calls to make a stronger impact on the minds of voters. To send the voice calls, you simply need to upload your database and the desired audio file to reach out to your voters. The instant reports help you to do the analysis for election campaigns. The following are the advantages of using bulk voice calls makes it an ideal tool for political campaigns, where the main aim is to get your message delivered to as many voters as possible on individual level. Helps in targeting a large audience without much effort. You can send personalized call with the help of our smart voice call services provided by CloudShope. Environment friendly as there is no paperwork involved and also cost effective. You can send bulk voice calls as a reminder calls for upcoming elections and inform them about election dates, polling booths, candidates, timing, and etc. The strength of bulk voice calls lies in its ability to be used with other communication strategies to establish an effective and comprehensive political campaigning. By using multiple channels for promotion, candidates can enhance their impact on voters and can ensure that their information is heard by as many voters as possible.